Aki Wali, Walters, fine artist, swim coach, basketball coach. Basically, I do a lot of promotion with the general culture and like to work with young people. I've done workshop in schools, you know, but at this point in time, I'm doing like a general day-to-day promotion in Wales. We're actually run like a cultural booth. I'm about to open a shop in the near future in Wales, you know, to promote not just Jamaican culture, but culture on a whole. And as a fine artist, it's very important to, you know, basically spread your individual talent and link with other artists and other people who are involved in the general cultural events, and just to spread it widely so that people can come together and understand. Because it is very soothing for people to know, you know, about, you know, their culture and other culture that link to kind of bond and, you know, and basically bring strength to us as humans. It is a tickling one. Jamaica have been an independent country for 50 years, and, you know, we are all celebrating our 50th independent, you know, and it means a lot to every single Jamaican, yeah. But there is so much for us as a nation. We have achieved a lot, and that actually put us on the road for even much more achievement. But we need to get to understand each other, understand our culture, understand the value as a Jamaican and the value of the land and the people and the sovereignty of the land, and really how for us as people to use the land, you know, and it is great. And there is not much at this point to say about the independent, but I'm grateful to be here at the Jamaica Consulate, where they are running something on the Gleaner promotion, or, you know, I doesn't get it clear, but I come to meet somebody. But the thing that is important, I've basically produced a pin, a lapel pin. This is just something for people to remember that, you know, we are celebrating our 50th. And I know I've been a collector of lapel pin for many, many years. And, you know, I decided that I wanted to do a design for Jamaica, because I see a lot of pins over the year that done by various people, various companies, and I wanted to do something of quality. So I decided to do this one, which is epoxy raised, and it's actually engraved. The 50th and the 2012 actually engraved in the pin. And it's a special pin, and it's out there, you know, it's out there on the market. People have them, and it's very proud to wear one of these. And there's a few more designs coming, and as I said earlier, that I'm operating a pin site by the name of www.pinpampinjam.com. So people could go on www.pinpampinjam.com and see some of my collection that I've been collecting since 1991 from the Barcelona game. Well, you know, because I'm a person who kind of gravitates. I'm a sport person. As I said, I'm a quick swim coach, basketball coach. So I've been exposed to 6 Olympics already. So been here in London, which in recent time I spent a lot of my time here in London. So it's not enough. I'm just going to ready and gear up myself to be at the Olympic whenever I can, whichever event, and because I do a lot of collection with pins, with various Olympic pin memorabilia, and I got like hundreds, thousands of various pins from all over the globe. And I basically even organize a pin site where people could go up and see some of my collection. I would be spending given day at the Olympic, trading my pin and swapping and just sharing my collection. AKIWALI, Aki Wali, mean the brave return.
Festival Jamaica!
Festival Jamaica 2012 at the Maryland Complex, Buxton Road, Stratford, London E15 1SL. Buy tickets at all the usual outlets, online, or call 0203 137 3055 or 07528 276 796.
Jamaica to the world. 2012.